Infinity Ahzee, a sign of dignity, taking action to develop the students.
Excuse me,
Yes, please.
could you please tell something all about
Oh,
you?
wait. Thanks for asking. I'm Shwed. I'm a student. I live at New Market in Shepur district. My father's name is Mr. Abedali and he is a businessman. My mother's name is Mrs. Supriya Begum and she is a homemaker. I have one younger brother and same sister. My favorite hobbies reading books. My parents love me. I want to be SI in the future. Please pay for me. That's all. Bye.